morning! Ready na sila. Alas 7 pa lang, guys.
Hindi ko niya.
But yeah, we're going to the playground today and have a picnic style. We'll have a picnic sa playground today, guys, with Chalita, my friend, and our kids. So, bang ko lang sila ng baon. And ako din. Masal ko din. Meet ko siya din ng alas 10. 7, pumasok na pala siya. Kahapon sobrang init. Today, same weather din yata. I'm pretty sure. What are you guys doing? Nag-breakfast na rin yung mga yan. They're just having yogurt. With coconut yogurt. Ang sarap ng yellow peach. I love peach, guys. So, yung iniinom ko na pala is apple cider vinegar in the morning. And then after 20 minutes, itong green juice. Let's go, guys. Late on life. 16 na siya.
Mommy, wanna go with color slide?
The color what?
Color slide.
Color slide? Where is that?
It's right down.
Hindi pa ako nagkape, so baka pag-uwi na lang. May coffee shop naman din. Kasi wala yung bring natin. What song do you want? Excavator song. Ayan. Dito na kami sa playground, guys. Look at that big water, slide. Dito lang si ate and si Riker. Nandoon sa malayo. Nandoon, ayun siya. Sa may slide. Okay naman siya dyan. Buti na lang may cafe dito, guys. So, makabili ako ng kape mamaya. Pero mamaya na, pag nandito na si Cha, wala pa siya eh. Wala pa si Chalita. Ginutom na yung mga anak ko. Kumain na sila, guys. 10:30 na. Ito lang yung playground. Yummy! Holly loves Paige. Ate loves the Paige hair. You guys, we are home na pala. Kanina pa, nakapag-lunch na rin kami. Ayan. We're just been watching movie. That's our second movie, of course. Siyempre, yung gusto nilang movie. Kanina pinanood namin is Lorax. No, it's The Grinch. Kala nga ni Riker kanina, yung Lorax is The Grinch too. But yeah, this is the best feeling. This is the best feeling in the world. Cuddle them and watch a movie. Nag-egg sandwich lang pala kami for lunch, you guys. And Ben will hopefully be home soon. There na kami, guys. Mashed sweet potatoes, so purple carrots and beans and green peas. Malaki yung akin kasi hati kami ng kids. So ayan yung kanila. Bigyan ko sila ng steak. Kain tayo. After nito, we'll go to the beach. Ayan, nagutom. Kakauwi lang ni Ben. You guys, alas 7 na pala and we're here at the beach. Kagabi kasi nag-walking lang kami by the beach. Ngayon, gusto na lang pumunta. Daming tao. Mainit kasi. Yan si Harley, oh. Kanya ba siya? Ayan. And low tide. Napaka-low tide. Kaya yan si Riker. Riker, Flynn. What are you gonna make? $7:30 na pala, guys. Good morning! Good morning! Happy Tuesday! Kain na sila, guys. Sweet Bix yan. Ang dilim pa sa labas. Tinan mo. Alas 7 na ba? Oh, sabi, guys. Yeah, mag-alas 8 na pala eh. Patapos na kasi yung daylight savings. Kaya, ang dilim na kaagad. Anyway, here's our lunchbox. Habang gagawa ako niyan, I have my juice. Mommy juice. So both kids have school today. And my dentist appointment na ko, guys. Gotta go to my dentist. Okay, ating green juice, guys. Kakainom ko lang ng apple cider vinegar. What's that? Baka mamaya punta pala ako ng Central Market kasi sa city rin naman yung aking dentist. Kahapon di ako nag-vlog kasi dito lang kami sa bahay. And kay mother, nag-swimming yung mga kids pala doon. Kasi mainit. Yeah, public holiday kasi dito kahapon, guys. Adelaide Cup thing. So, walang pasok. Long weekend. Let's go, you guys. 8:42. Alas 10 yung appointment ko. So, mag-drop Harley up and then Riker up. Let's play for me. Let's go, guys. Drop na natin ang kids, guys. So let's see how many minutes yung ating drive. Ang sarap ng kanilang, dito na ako nagkape sa school ni Riker. Ang sarap ng nila, coconut and pineapple muffin. $30 minutes. Nasabi ko ba na implant ko pala today? It's my implant day. But I think they're still gonna double check. They probably won't do it until they double check na strong yung ating bones sa ating tooth. We'll see kung makapunta pa ako ng Central Market after ng implant ko na. We'll see. Okay, let's look for a car park. Kailangan ko ng 2 hours ng car park.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can
Good morning!
Mommy, what you doing?
I'm making coffee. Silly boy. Happy Wednesday! Sorry, hindi na ako nasa... Hindi mo yung salita ako, hindi pa diretso. Hindi ako natapos mag-vlog kahapon kasi nga, pumirot ang aking ngipin. So, I just relax. So, may pasok yung mga yan. Nakagawa na ako ng lunchbox, guys, kasi yung ulam namin kagabi is pasta. Nagluto ako ng... Ayan, bahay na ako, guys. Maglaba tayo. Hindi ako nakapaglaba ng ilang araw. Pwede niyo ang kalat ng laundry.
The time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Ayan, bahay na si ate, guys. Si daddy niya nagsundo sa kanya. Si Raike mamaya sunduin nila.
You want juice?
Just having merienda.
Juice for her.
She had 2 toasts na. Some
Peanut
fruits.
butter, love. What's that? Peanut butter?
Tignan mo yung pinili niyang dress. So,
Gluten-free
puti pa
peanut
talaga. So pretty, ate.
That's a nice juice. That's a good one.
Kasi didn't finish her, lunch, guys. Yung pasta. No? Why? Chick girl. Gawa tayo ng ice cream ulit, guys. Or yung ice blocks nila. Blueberry and strawberry naman yung gagawin natin this time with banana. Diba tayo ng showtime? Grabe yung mga nangyayari sa ating bansa ngayon. Ano ba nangyayari sa mundo?
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you, everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Good morning! Happy Thursday! Ayan si ate, tapos na siya mag-almusal. Si Raika nagpadagdag pa. Alam mo naman yan.
Hi, Toby.
What are you having?
Weepy.
Yummy? You love with pics, eh? Ayan. So, yung aking ngipin ngayon pa rin. Swallowin pa rin yung aking gabi, guys. So, I'm not gonna put the retainer muna. So, I'm still gonna wear mask. And, ito pala yung baon ni ate, guys, today. Sandwich and orange. I need to buy more celery. Kasi naubos na yun sa aming hummus and snacks. Hindi pa ako nakakabili ng juicer eh. But yeah. I might need to do my hair soon kasi haba na ng tubo niya. And pwede ko na siyang kulutin ulit dahil hindi na siya bob cut. Anyway, pahabain ko na lang siya ulit. And you guys, darating na pala sila ate next week, Monday. So, si Ate Grace lang and Zoe ulit kasi obviously, na-deny yung dalawa. So, ayun, Tita Grace and Ate Zoe is gonna come back. It's good kasi just before my pledge sa aking Australian citizenship. So, nandito sila yan. Yeah. Kasi yung pledge ko is on Thursday next week. So, arrive nila is
not going to the playground.
Wednesday pala.
Mommy, go to the playground.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the playground. Mukha ba kong kuldapper? Sabi na lang ata ako mag... Ang itsura ko guys, wala ko rider. Maghasa ba? Sabi naman siguro kung maghasa sa mukha.
Want some more? I done.
You done? Okay, brush your teeth now, guys.
Cartoon is Adobe. What is that please?
What are you singing?
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving.
Ayan, nadala pa natin si ate guys. We'll go for a walk and playground. Hi. Ayan, we'll walk to the playground guys. We're here at Semaphore. Hey, Jabriker. Hindi ko nadala yung helmet niya eh. Oh. Silly boy. Ang cute na nalalagyan ng mga books. Oh, are you gonna exercise?
No, that's wrong.
Ayan, so that's Riker's lunch, guys. Egg with toast and some grapes. What did you put in there?
A boiler.
Silly boy.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite.
Dinner ng kids, guys. Because Ben's not gonna have dinner here.
Mommy,
Yes.
want. Yogurt.
Ayan, ngayon lang sila nag-TV, guys. For 2 whole days. Hindi sila nag-TV. Which is really good. Ang hirap nga lang i-occupy na, but anyway, that's okay. But ito na yung chicken nila. And ito yung akin. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for our veggies and our sweet potato. Ayan si Harley. Naghihintay sa ating sweet potato. Ito, tinry ko to. Binili ko sa organic shop. And hindi nila masyadong gusto to. Mas gusto nila yung sa Woolies. So, biling ko na lang ulit yung sa Woolies. Yung dalawa, ayan o. Good job, guys.
Now, Mommy, I want to swipe in the car.
Okay, just wait for your turn, okay? Wait for your turn.
Mommy, help.
Why?
Help me.
Ayan na, your turn na. There you go. Oh!
I sit in the back, Mom.
I don't think Ate wants to sit in the back. That's okay. You can drive it around. Here's the kids' dinner, guys. Diyan,
Mommy.
ito namang isa. Kain tayo. Ito yung akin.
Favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
Ayan nyo, guys. Paubos na yung gulay. Yung chicken nandun pa din. Baliktad si Riker. Ubos na yung chicken. O, 2 piraso na lang yung chicken niya. Riker, can you finish it?
Mommy, my wife.
Why? Why did you give me wipes?
This is pretty like this.
Aw, thank you. Yung labi ko daw, bleeding pa. Bleeding pa ba? Meron pa nga. Ay, nako. Thank you, baby. Today, Holly picked that one and Riker picked the mixed berries. Riker picked this one, the mixed berries, guys. Yeah, there you go, Riker.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, sorry. You dropped it. That's okay. Cheers daw, ate. Cheers. Ayan, nandito lang kami sa labas, guys. Oh, don't hit ate naman.
No.
That's not nice. Rika, do you want me to do it to you?
No.
Oh, don't do it to ate then.
I'm loving this moment.
Wala pa si daddy nila para mag-alas siya na yata.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Ang tayo nila naghahabulan, no? Mamaya mag-aaway na yung mga yun.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know